Long ago, in a village surrounded by dense forests and great rivers, lived a hunter named Kofi, renowned for his skill but cursed with greed. One day, deep in the jungle, he spotted a golden skinned deer with glowing eyes. As he drew his bow to shoot, the creature vanished, leading him to a hidden spot where an ancient drum lay, carved with mysterious symbols. Astonished, he gently struck the drum, and to his surprise, it spoke, "If you beat me once, food will appear." He struck the drum, and at once a magnificent feast appeared before him. Then the drum said, "If you beat me twice, gold will come." Overcome with greed, Kofi obeyed immediately, and piles of gold covered the ground. Overwhelmed by this incredible discovery, he brought the drum back to his village and kept it a secret. Each day, he grew richer, summoning food, wealth, and luxurious clothes. But as his fortune grew, so did his hunger for power. Eventually, he demanded that the village chief step down. When the elders refused, he challenged the chief, boasting that he could summon the greatest wealth. On the day of the contest, before the entire village, Kofi proudly struck the drum once. Food appeared. Then he beat it twice. Gold rained down. The villagers stood in awe, thinking Kofi had won. Yet, eager to demonstrate his ultimate power, Kofi struck the drum a third time. At that moment, the sky darkened, the ground trembled, and a fierce storm swept through the village. From the drum emerged a terrifying army of spirits, awakened from their centuries-old slumber. The villagers screamed in terror and fled as the spirits seized Kofi, lifting him into the air. He begged for mercy, but it was too late. His greed had sealed his fate. With a deafening roar, the spirits dragged him deep into the jungle, never to be seen again. From that day on, no one dared to venture into the forest where Kofi had vanished. Some say the drum still lies hidden, waiting for another greedy soul to claim it. The villagers learned an important lesson. Greed and the thirst for power lead to destruction, for those who are never satisfied ultimately lose everything, even their own lives.